Proverbs chapter 13 verse 11. Wealth gotten by vanity shall be diminished, but he that gathereth by labor shall increase. Agoy, September na pod, you know na, Christmas is approaching. Gastos na pod ni. Good morning guys! Atong vlog for today guys, unsaon nimo og gasto imong differential sa imong sweldo. Ayay, what a blessing! Abi na kog na-scam ta. Nakasulod na di ay. Grabe ka-excited na gulat ang mga government employees. Well, for some, automatic pangbayad ni sa utang. Don't you worry, wala ka nag-inusara. Ikaw, unsa imong plano? Kabalo ka ba guys? Every blessing is an opportunity for you to save. Di malimot magpasalamat sa kahitasan. While watching this video, this may be your start to save on a profitable entity, long-term investment with high return. Unsa na pud na oy? Agoy, pag kanina jud ang hisgutanan is naban na pud ka. Well, ang differential kay gamatter man kung unsa imong salary grade. I want to tell you that it doesn't matter how much you earn and receive. What matters is how much do you save. Did you know, guys, there are many entities you can start saving. Let us compare 3 ways to save with a scenario that at 25 years old, starting to save. As an example, let us check with which entity is the biggest profit when he or she projected to retire at the age of 60. Starting on the first scenario, she saves on the bank of 2,647 per month for 7 years. At the age of 60, she only got 277,470 pesos. On the second scenario, she saved 2,400 per month on SSS, Social Security System, for 40 years. What he paid is, umaabot siya hanggang 1,152,000. On the third scenario, she only saves 88 pesos per day, which is 2,647 per month for 7 years on Kaiser, a 3-in-1 saving plan. It is a long-term investment with healthcare insurance, life insurance, plus investment. The projected savings at the age of 60 is 2,192,119 pesos. So, saan ka mas nakalamang? Doon ka ba mag-iipon sa bank na may growth, safety, pero walang healthcare at walang proteksyon? Or SSS na may growth, safety, pero habang buhay mong babayaran? Depende din sa financial goal mo kung anong bracket ang gusto mong bayaran sa SSS. Or sa Kaiser na may growth, safety, healthcare, at protection. Nandoon na lahat with a return of investment with a conservative percentage of 10% interest. So guys, maging wais how to manage our money. Every penny counts. Do you consider ipagliban na lang ang mga wants to enjoy later gratification? To know about Kaiser 3-in-1 saving program, just click the link below or message me on my FB account, Maynick. Hanggang sa muli guys, adios!